Timeline of land rights in 400 acres of lands, Kancha, Gachibowli. 400 acres of Kancha, Gachibowli, is recorded as survey number 25, Kancha Audible Parambok Sarkri in Revenue Records. On February 2, 2004, the Vice-Chancellor and University Administration signed a MOU with the then government of Andhra Pradesh to transfer land rights of survey number 25's 534 acres of land in exchange for land from survey number 36 and 37 for sports development projects. Government of Andhra Pradesh allotted lands to IMG Academy Bharat to build a sports academy. On November 21, 2006, the allocation of lands to IMG Academy Bharat was annulled, and the property was returned to the Revenue Department of the Government of Andhra Pradesh. On December 26, 2013, the Vice-Chancellor sent a letter to the Principal Secretary of the Revenue Department, Government of Andhra Pradesh, confirming the acceptance of 397 acres of land located in survey number 36 and 37 of Gopanpalli village for the University of Hyderabad. The university administration decided against pursuing the legal acquisition of the land designated as survey number 25 from the government of Andhra Pradesh after IMG Academy Bharat was unable to establish the sports academy. On January 5, 2022, the High Court of Telangana issued a ruling in favor of the government of Telangana in the case of the University of Hyderabad versus the government of Telangana concerning land rights, writ petition number 816/2021. On March 7, 2024, the High Court of Telangana determined that the government of Telangana holds the rights to the land in the dispute involving IMG Bharat and the government of Andhra Pradesh. On May 3, 2024, the Supreme Court rejected the petition filed by IMG Bharat against the government of Telangana. On June 19, 2024, the Telangana Industrial Infrastructure Corporation, TGIIC, submitted a proposal to develop mixed IT and infrastructure projects on 400 acres of land identified as survey number 25. On June 26, 2024, the proposal from TGIIC was approved, and an order was issued to the Revenue Department of Telangana government, confirming that the land is classified as government land, not as forest land. On July 4, 2024, TGIIC dispatched a letter to the Registrar of the University of Hyderabad to coordinate the boundary demarcation for Survey No. 25. On July 11, 2024, representatives from TGIIC held a personal meeting with the Registrar and University Administration to discuss the specifics of the proposed project. On July 18, 2024, an email was dispatched to the Registrar and University Administration to inform them about the specifics of the boundary demarcation process. On July 19, 2024, with the approval of the Registrar of the University of Hyderabad, UOH, survey work was carried out in the presence of UOH officials, including the Deputy Registrar, University Engineer, and Executive Engineer, as well as revenue authorities, namely the Revenue Inspector and Mundal Surveyor, during which the boundaries were established. On February 28, 2025, TGIIC released a request for proposal RFP for a mixed IT and infrastructural projects in survey number 25. On March 12, 2025, the National Students' Union of India (NSUI) expressed its concern to the executives of TGIIC and the Industries Minister of the Telangana government, Mr. Sridhar Babu, an alumnus of Hyderabad Central University, HCU. The concerns were centered around the auction of 400 acres of land from survey number 25, highlighting its historical connection to the university and its irreplaceable ecological importance. On March 13, 2025, the meeting was facilitated between the Industries Minister, executives of TGIIC, representatives from the Student Union and University Administration to address the concerns regarding the auction of survey number 25. Once the delegation was prepared to depart from the university to the Telangana Legislative Assembly for the meeting, the union withdrew from all discussions. This is nothing but a breach of faith and was not expected by an elected body that represents the students of the University of Hyderabad. On March 15, 2025, the Vice-Chancellor of the University of Hyderabad was invited by the Minister of Industries once again to apprise concerns. Even though our everyday lives in the university are integrally tied to the said area, the university administration since 2004 has never claimed to possess any rights over the said land. Recently, government of TG won the case with IMG Academy. They gained full possession of survey number 25 land.